my name's Jason. The guys have installed 16.6 kilowatts of Aiko panels on my roof and a 32 kilowatt hour Sigenergy battery. My main choice for the system was its ability to work with three-phase. Seamlessly works with three phase through the backup, so instantaneous backup, which was a really great benefit. Yeah, so like everybody recommends, to go and get several quotes done. So I went and got my several quotes done. I was happy to hear everyone's opinion as to why I should go for this system or that system, but at the end of the day I felt the Sigenergy sort of fit me best. Yeah, so with the cyclone earlier on in the year, we were left without power for nearly a week. Everyone else around us had power except for us, which was really frustrating because everything sort of carried on, yet we were still stuck without power. It made it really difficult for the kids with going to school and having to come home in the evening to do work. It made it difficult for us as well in terms of coming home and having to cook dinner and prepare things while everyone else carried on like normal. We were still stuck without power. The backup was a really important thing to have. Yeah, more than better than expected. My power bills are pretty much nil, even starting to make a small credit now with the power that's being fed back. And now I guess it's a matter of exploring what's the best power plan to optimize my return on it. Excellent. The Sigenergy app, lots of data. If you're a person who loves interpreting data, then there's plenty of data for you to look at. You can make it as easy or as simple or as complicated as you want, but yeah, heaps of data about what you're using, how much you're using, when you're using it, and basically how it's performed. Yeah, Dave was excellent to work with. Like I was saying, he was more than accommodating whenever I had questions, wanted to make changes. Right up to my installation date, he was always available and always responded to my emails and my questions straight away.